Hi there. Ready to continue potholing with us in the next lesson on line graphs? Awesome. Let's go inside.
Open sesame. Open sesame.
What are you doing, Tippy?
Trying to get the cave to open. I saw that in a movie.
That will not be necessary, Tippy. The entrance to the cave is on the other side.
Oops. Thanks, Professor Fifi. I can't wait to go inside.
Every cave is unique and there is always something to discover and learn inside.
Like a hidden treasure?
Well, possibly, but not the kind you have in mind, Tippy. The Cave of Crystals of Mexico is a marvel of nature that is popular for its huge selenite crystals. Time to begin today's lesson on line graphs. Line graphs are another way of recording data. A line graph is used to display information which changes over time. It is plotted on a graph as a series of points joined with straight lines.
Like the line graph in the image. This line graph represents the number of deer spotted at the National Cave Park through the week. There were 5 sightings on Sunday, 10 on Monday, 5 on Tuesday, again 10 on Wednesday, 15 on Thursday and Friday, and 20 on Saturday.
Caves can be found all around the world. In mountains, near coasts, and even in glaciers. Iceland is known for some of its breathtaking glacier caves. Let's take a look at the different ways the same data can be represented in a table, a tally chart, a bar graph, and a line graph. Here is some information about the number of postcards of different caves in Tippy's collection. There are 14 postcards for Crystal Cave, 11 postcards for Lava Cave, 6 postcards each for Rocky Cave and Sandy Cave. Table. Bar graph. Tally chart. Line graph.
It is very useful to know how to read and understand data that is represented in different ways.
Caves give us information about prehistoric mankind. Drawings and markings found on caves date back to many thousand years.
Professor Fifi, I am excited to explore the cave to see if we find something interesting today.
Tippy here is all set to go spelunking, to see what he can discover in this cave, and I'll be joining him in his adventure. Don't forget to join us in the next lesson.